Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively replace your SSD. First, power down your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if your model allows it. This is crucial to prevent any electrical damage during the process. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your Dell Vostro. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the existing SSD. It is typically secured with 1 or 2 screws. Remove these screws and gently slide the SSD out of its slot. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have the support you need. Now take your new SSD and align it with the connector. Slide it into place at a slight angle, then press down gently until it clicks into position. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Before reassembling your laptop, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and heat sinks. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. Once you've completed the cleaning, replace the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws to secure the panel. If you prefer not to handle this yourself, we provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your laptop serviced without any hassle. Finally, reconnect the battery if applicable, plug in your laptop, and power it on. You may need to enter the BIOS to ensure the new SSD is recognized. If you encounter any issues, remember that we offer a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision about any further assistance you may need. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the SSD in your Dell Vostro 5000 series laptop. Enjoy the enhanced performance and speed that your new SSD brings. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us for support. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.